The task is moving, but where is the time going? That's where task stats in Projects.ink comes in. Get instant visibility into every task's journey. Understand lead time, active work, wait time, current status, deadlines, subtasks, comments, edits, and reassignments, all in one place. See exactly how work progresses through each stage. Track movement from to-do, to review, to done, and understand how activity evolves over time. No more guessing where delays happen. No more wondering the changes. Just clear insights into how work moves, how teams collaborate, and how tasks reach completion. Whether it's one task or an entire project workflow, the complete story is always available. Because better visibility leads to better decisions. Projects.ink.